evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. Today I am going to ask some questions to my friend Jyoti. So let's start. Do you apply soap at your body while bathing? Yes, I apply soap regularly while bathing. Which soap brand do you use? I use different soap brands while bathing, but I don't see the brand. Do you use hand wash or Dettol or soap after doing poo and pee? Yes, I regularly use hand wash after doing poo and pee. Did you get bitten by anyone? Yes, I get bitten by my parents and friends. Did you get bitten by your mom and father? I get bitten from my mother, but not by my father. Why your mother beats you and why your father do not beats you? Give me the reason. I spend time with my mother in my home, so I disturb my mother and my mother beats me, but my father stay far away from my home, so I could not disturb him and he does not beat me. Does your friends beat you? Yes, my friends beat me. Okay, do you beat your friends? No, I don't beat my friends, but if they beat me very much, I do the defense. Do you believe in God? No, I don't believe in God. Why you don't believe in God? I believe that every person have God in their soul. Do you believe your parents? Yes, I believe my parents. Does your parents believe you? Yes, my parents believe me. Whom do you trust the most? I trust my mother and father most. Why do you trust them so much? I trust them so much because they don't lie to me. Is it fair to believe anyone blindly? No, it is not fair to believe anyone blindly. Why? If I believe anyone blindly, he or she can cheat me. Does your father brings ice cream and chocolate for you every day? No, I just tell you that my father stays far away from my home. So, if my father comes to my home, so then my father brings chocolate to me. Which chocolate do you like the most? I like the Oreo chocolate most. Is it good to eat ice cream and chocolate every day? No, it is not good to eat ice cream and chocolate every day. Why? Because if we eat chocolate every day, it will harm our teeth. And if we eat ice cream every day, we will be sick. Do you love your parents? Yes, I love my parents. Thank you. Thank you.